If your driver has reported an issue with his truck or trailer and you do not want to solve the issue right now, but you want to register it for a future service, then you can go to Issues and you can register a new issue. You can select here the unit, you can select the date and insert the mileage when this issue occurred. You can also select the category for the issue. Let's say that the category will be the engine and the name will be a coolant leak. We can mark this issue as critical and you can add some comments like noticed by the driver when something happened. Okay, you can save the issue and now the issue is shown in the list of issues and is marked with a red exclamation sign as critical. Now I will show you. If you will open a new repair order for this truck, let's say it's unit, and you will select the tasks that you want to perform, then you will see that the registered issues are shown in red right at the top. So you can select the list of tasks.